Lately, I've been craving a little reset at home. Something simple but meaningful. Just slowing down, refreshing a few spaces, and bringing in touches of spring. And after a really busy couple of weeks, I finally had a few hours to myself over the weekend to reevaluate, slow down a little, and finally make that reset happen. I started by heading out to Lowe's because I knew that I wanted to bring in some fresh plants. Nothing too complicated, just pieces that feel fresh and easy to style. There's something about bringing home greenery this time of year, it instantly shifts the mood. And once I saw the rocks and the moss, I had the perfect idea to create a couple of succulent terrariums. I also knew that I wanted the porch to feel a little more welcoming, somewhere that feels light and lived in as we head into spring. And even the smallest changes, like just dropping a few new plants into your planters, can really make such a difference. So for the succulent planters, I grabbed a few containers that I already had, like this glass driftwood terrarium, and then I had that long skinny planter. I also grabbed a couple different colors of rocks and some moss. For the terrariums, I like to vary the heights a little bit, adding interest without overthinking it. It's one of those things that doesn't have to be exact to look beautiful. So I like to start with the plants, and then I add a layer of rocks to really anchor them in. It gives a really good foundation. The moss is probably my favorite part. It's so soft and it's really forgiving, so you can just play around with it until it looks right to you. I like to just cover up those areas that maybe I couldn't get the rocks into or maybe look a little bit messy. These are the kinds of pieces that just quietly elevate a space. And I love the fact that they are so low maintenance. I only water mine a very small amount of water, maybe once per week. Of course, projects like this always come with a little mess. This is where I love having something quick and easy to grab, especially for little everyday cleanups like this. It makes it so much easier to just reset the space right away. I've been using my Levoit vacuum lately and I love it. It's sleek, it's cordless, it's so convenient for moments like this, whether it's soil from projects, crumbs in the kitchen, or even after my car takes a plant run with me. One of the things I really appreciate is how it handles hair without constantly getting tangled, which just makes cleanup feel a lot more effortless. For my family, we spend a lot of time on the couch, and between me with my long hair, my daughter's long hair, we also have 2 cats, so it can definitely add up if you're not on top of it. But I find that I need a very quick way to be on top of it or else it doesn't happen. So having something cordless like this, that's just very sleek and easy to take out, makes things so much easier. It also comes with a few different attachments, so I can move really quickly from the table to the couch or even out to the car without needing anything else. And I love that I can just stand it up and step away if I need to. It's one of those small things that makes a really big difference when you're in the middle of a reset. And of course, after bringing the plants home, my car definitely needed a quick refresh too. It charges really easily and quickly too, which I love. I'll have this vacuum linked in my description box if you want to check it out. And thank you to Levoit for sponsoring today's video. I always feel like I can't fully relax until the kitchen is reset. Even just taking a few minutes to clean everything up makes such a difference. It's one of those simple things that helps the whole home feel a little calmer and ready for the next phase of the day. Once everything was ready, I brought the plants outside and started refreshing the entryway. I like to keep this space really simple, just a few pieces that feel fresh and welcoming. Even something as small as adding some new plants can completely change the feel of a space. It's one of those little resets that makes coming home feel that much better. It really doesn't take much, just a quick cleanup to make everything feel fresh again. These small details always make the biggest difference. I took a few minutes to clean everything up out here too, just brushing away dirt and giving the door a quick wipe down. There's so much pollen this time of year, it's crazy. It already feels so much better out here. Once everything was complete outside, I was getting a little hot out there, so I decided to come in and make one of my favorite smoothies. To me, there's nothing more refreshing than a nice cool drink on a warm day, and this recipe is perfect. So I started by soaking my chia seeds. I just soaked them for maybe 2 to 3 minutes just so that they get nice and soft and they open up nicely. This helps you to digest them better and is also healthier for your body to absorb all the nutrients from them. So I started with about 1.5 cups of almond milk, and then I added some wild blueberries along with 1/2 of a banana. I added a little bit of cacao powder and a little bit of honey, and by now my chia seeds are the perfect consistency. So I dropped those in and just gave it a nice blend. It's already looking so delicious. I love that beautiful purple color. After it was blended, I added a scoop of my favorite protein powder and just gave it a nice quick little mix before pouring it out into a nice tall glass. Now that I enjoyed the outside for a little bit, it's time to style my planters inside. So I set this terrarium up right here on the kitchen island. I think it looks perfect here, and it definitely refreshes the space along with that beautifully scented lemon candle. So for this planter, I wanted to try it out in 2 different spaces, one of which is in our powder room. I think it's the perfect size here, and it's just such a nice pop of green and a really pretty accent for here. I also brought it out into our main area, our main living space, and I placed it on our bookshelf. And I have to say, I love it in both places. You'll have to tell me in the comments where you like it best. But for me, there's nothing more refreshing than a simple reset. A clean home, fresh plants, and something cold in hand. It doesn't have to be complicated to feel like a fresh start, just a few small changes, but it just makes everything feel a little bit lighter and ready for a new season. If you enjoy these kinds of simple resets and slow moments at home, I'd love to have you here, so don't forget to subscribe. And please give this video a big thumbs up. It's a free way to support my channel, and I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Take care.